Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Well, my home is Christmas. And today we're having two couples coming over for a little bit of a festive lunch together. And I've decided that I'm going to prepare a prime rib. Delicious, super simple to prepare. Now let's get started. Prime rib roast. This is what we will be preparing today. We're going to bake this prime rib very slowly. I find it tastes better this way and it really retains a lot of the juices. And when you spend that kind of money, you don't want to take any chances. So preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. 24 hours ago, I salt and peppered my prime rib all over. I put it in this wonderful tray with a little a dripping tray inside, and I left it in the refrigerator for 1 day. It's been sitting at room temperature for an hour and a half. Now I'm ready to baste it with avocado oil, and then I'm going to sprinkle herb provençal all around. I'm going to baste it. This is a lovely special occasion dish. All over with the avocado oil. Now if you don't have avocado oil, you can use clarified butter. Sprinkling it with herb de Provence all around. Our friends prefer their prime rib at medium well, so I placed a thermometer in the center, not completely, and it's going to roast for approximately 3 hours. Once the prime rib reaches at an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to remove the prime rib, allow it to rest covered, I'll show you, for a minimum of an hour, and then we're going to do our second baking. In my oven, like I said, for 3.5 hours to 4. The thermometer is on the exterior, and we forget about it. Roast internally reached 140, so we're ready to remove it. I'm gonna say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I have parchment paper and aluminum paper on top, just to keep everything down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow the roast to rest for 45 minutes. You want all the juices to go back into the roast. Now for the second baking, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. My roast has rested for 45 minutes. Oh, look how beautiful. I have some extremely soft room temperature butter, and all I'm going to do is just slather it all over the roast. Back in my preheated oven for 15 minutes. And our roast is ready. The roast came out fantastic. Now, Lorenzo graciously offered to cut the bones out for me. My roast came out perfect. Look at the bones. Whoever the bone lover is in your family, they're going to love that. Now I'm just going to taste I'm not going to cut it now. I'm going to cut it once my guests arrive. I'm going to keep it nice and warm and covered in the oven, and I'm going to taste it. Twice. It's so delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. For you people that are not too keen on turkey, this is a beautiful alternative. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. Perfect. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas to you and your families. And don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao! Oh my goodness.